Welcome. Welcome to Gaia Africa Initiative. Gaia Africa Initiative is an NGO I initiated in Uganda with the purpose of serving people. This unit, water filter unit, is one way of mainly serving the children of Uganda in the schools. May I introduce you to this water filter system. Originally, it was designed by a friend of mine, Ernst Hauseder from Austria, with the purpose of making it available for people to filter the water and then must not be boiled, that water, before drinking. So my first unit I built in 2008-2009 in Uganda. Then there was a break, and 2 years ago I renewed that initiative. And this time the filter unit is built much bigger than before. So the heart of this unit is here in the back, this big ultra filter. Ultra filter has a membrane size of 0.02 μ, which is, to understand, compare it, the human hair, our hair, is around 3,000 times bigger in diameter than that membrane opening. So you can imagine it filters out everything what is solid. It cannot filter out things which are dissolved in the water. So this unit is working actually very, very simple. It looks complicated, but it can be used, and this is the main purpose, and how also the schools are using it, mainly with the hand pump. Pumping the water, they fetch from the open well, or they have from the rainwater tank in the school, is connected to this first valve, and with the hand pump, the water goes into the system, up here, then first through the pre-filter in order to take out the big stuff, and then it goes into the main ultra filter. Then from there it goes here further, and in this extra filter box here, there is not a filter, but there are elements of the Gaia plasma technology. So I made those gases in different types, like zinc, CO2, copper, CH3, what else is there? Magnesium, calcium, gold, silver. So that those elements, those materials in a plasma form, enhance the property of the water. So the water picks that properties up, and also are in here extra nano-coated copper plates to create that plasma filter, that plasma environment field, that the water is picking that up and coming out then here through the clean water tap. So now, speaking about what possibilities do we have with this filter. So we can filter rainwater, surface water, river water, deep well or open well, using either the hand pump. With the hand pump, we can filter around 600 liters per hour. So when even children are filtering it, of course they change one after the next. And so most schools, actually all the schools, are just using the hand pump. Another option is to connect here on the second tap an electric pump connected to the water source and pushing the water through the system. Or you have a high upstanding rainwater tank, or a water tank, at least 4 meters higher than the filter unit. That gravity pressure is enough to push it, also connecting here, to push it through the system. And also there, with the gravity, we can filter around 600 liters per hour. Using the electric pump we can filter around 1,500 liters per hour. So the capacity of the filter per day, we could estimate around 10,000 liters drinking water, creating drinking water. So this can supply a huge community with good, healthy, bacteria-free, energized, highly energized drinking water. The filter itself, from the producer, says it can last around 6 to 8 years if it is treated in the right way. So of course, when the filter keeps back all the dirt or everything, you may think, yes, the filter gets stuck very quickly. And therefore, there is this option with this tap, while pumping or while pushing through electricity, electric pump, open it here, and the dirt can come out this way. So we call it forward flashing. Then there is another way to clean the filter, and that is through the backwash. And I turn it around a little bit, go to this side. Now for that purpose, here you see the blue tank. So before doing the backwash, we fill that tank with clean water, and then by switching the valves, pushing with the second-hand pump from the back side of the membranes, the dirt out. So this is the second way, which needs to be done also from time to time. Like it depends how dirty the water is, the raw water. So taking care well of that, it is very easy to maintain this filter in a good condition, and from time to time also, because just the backwash is not strong enough, we put into the system, we pump it in here, some chlorine, because normally for the filtering process no chemical is used. The water stays in a natural state. Just for the cleaning, washing, we put in some chlorine like 250 milliliter in a bucket with water, and pump it in the cycle here. So everywhere is the chlorine. First, it does disinfect, and second, it works like a soap. Leave it overnight in the system, and next day you flush it out well. So again, for the cleaning of the water, for the filter process, no chemical used. What else can we say? This unit is also mobile. You can take it into the car, move it where it is very urgent. Maybe there have been a flooding, or is needed in a camp, in a refugee camp. Go there, they collect the water, filter it, and you have clean, energized drinking water. And it's important, if you know, you don't need to boil this water. It is not just physically clean, there's no bacteria, no viruses, and highly energized. So this water filter is one of our projects to serve the people in Africa, especially in Uganda. Thank you.